Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Zaki Mutakin, college identity number 1993035. I will present the results of the journalism with the title The Content of Substance, Nutrition, Fish, Leaf, Moringa, based on the drying method. This journal describes the difference in nutrient content in Moringa leaf flour with different drying methods. Definition of Moringa leaves is Definition of moringa leaf is a plant moringa or moringa oleifera is one of the species of plants which will be the substance of nutrition. This plant is known as the miracle tree or magic tree because the source of nutrition for the moringa plants exceeds the of plants in general. This plant also contains antioxidants that much, so it is specified into the plant function. The methods used are branching, swinging, or raising and drying methods. Based on the drying method and leafage, the nutrition that showed statistical difference was ferrum with p-value less than 0.05, while the other four types of nutrition did not show any significant difference with p-value more than 0.05. And then difference in the nutrition content of moringa leaf. First, protein. Protein is part of all living cells that functions as antibody forming, regulating nutrition and as a source of energy, while other functions of protein are regulating water balance, forming essential body bonds, and maintaining neutrality. Based on this journal research, the highest protein content in moringa leaf is found in the leaf group of the shoots. Protein content in plant can be determined by measuring the nitrogen content. Nitrogen in plants plays a role in the formation of plant cells, tissue, and organs. In the leaf, nitrogen serves as the material for photosynthesis and the synthesis of chlorophyll. Based on research using blanching, aerating, and drying methods, it shows that of the three types of moringa leaf groups, the highest protein content is found in the blanching method. This illustrated that the protein in moringa staking leaf is affected by various processes that occur in the leaf both naturally nor intentional. The protein content in moringa leaf is determined by the nitrogen content. Leaf color depends on nitrogen content. The more nitrogen content, the greener it will be, and vice versa. Second, iron. The function of iron is a constituent of chlorophyll. So there is a correlation between the availability of iron and the levels of chlorophyll in plants. Based on the age of the leaves, in the highest iron concentration was in the old leaf group, and the lowest was in the shoot leaf group, because iron in the leaf is part of chlorophyll. Where the older the leaf age, the greener color becomes darker, while the shoot leaves are generally pale green because less chlorophyll. The content of iron in moringa leaf based on the drying method showed a significant difference, where the highest content was in the drying method by aerating only, and the lowest was the drying method. This illustrates that iron is not resistant to direct heating, even though the temperature is low, less than 50 degrees Celsius. Third, calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is needed by our bodies at all ages, from infants to the elderly. The function of calcium in plants is to regulate ion uptake. When calcium is lacking, growth is stunted and the leaf shape changes to a dwarf. The calcium content obtained from the results of this study showed that based on the leaf age, the highest calcium content was in the old leaf group, and the lowest was in the shoot leaf. Based on the drying method, the highest calcium content is in the drying method with only iodine, and the lowest is the drying method through the balancing process. As with other nutrients, calcium in moringa leaf is not resistant to direct heating. So even though the concentration is high in the direct heating process, many are lost or damaged. For food processing with high temperature can reduce calcium levels in foodstuffs. Fourth, fourth, zinc. Zinc is an essential micronutrient for humans. The function of zinc is to affect cell growth and development, antioxidants, sexual development, appetite, and has a close relationship with the endocrine system. Zinc plays a role in the body's natural antioxidant enzyme cofactor, namely superoxide dismutase, so it is critically related to the immune response. Besides, the zinc plays a major role in vitamin A metabolism. Based on the drying method, the highest zinc concentration was found in the balancing method, and the lowest in the leaf group using the direct drying method. This shows that zinc in moringa leaf is very easy to lose or damage. Determination of zinc levels showed higher left in dried moringa leaves than boiled moringa leaves. 5. Phosphor. Phosphor functions as bone forming, organic storage, energy metabolism, carbohydrate, amino acids, and fats, fatty acid transport, and coenzyme parts. The results obtained from this study indicate that the phosphor content is directly proportional to the protein content, where the highest protein is found in the shoots of the shoots. The highest phosphor content is also in the shoots. The result of this study using three types of drying methods found that the highest phosphor concentration was in the blanching process and the lowest was in the drying process. Maybe that's enough of my presentation. If there are mistake and shortcoming, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.